How to make a joint account on TD Bank. Decide who will be the co-owner of the joint account. Collect valid IDs for the both owners. Ensure you have personal details for the both owners. Book an appointment at your local TD Bank branch. Both owners must visit the branch together. Discuss your financial goals and how a joint account can help. Select the appropriate checking or saving account that suits your needs. Fill out the necessary forms provided by the TD representative. Each owner will receive their own debit card and can begin managing the account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.